Ecology is the scientific study of interactions between organisms and their environment. It examines how living things relate to each other and to the physical world around them. This field helps us understand the complex web of life on Earth and how everything is interconnected. Ecology focuses on understanding the relationships and interactions that occur in nature. It studies how organisms interact with their physical environment, including elements like sunlight, water, and soil. Additionally, it examines the relationships among organisms themselves, such as how plants, animals, and microorganisms depend on or compete with each other. Ecology consists of four main components. First, biotic factors refer to all living organisms and their interactions, including plants, animals, and microorganisms. Second, abiotic factors are non-living environmental elements such as temperature, water, and minerals. Third, energy flow describes how energy transfers through ecosystems, typically starting from sunlight. Fourth, nutrient cycling explains how essential elements like carbon and nitrogen move through the environment and between organisms. Ecologists study life at four hierarchical levels. An individual is a single organism of a particular species. A population consists of a group of individuals of the same species living in a specific area. A community includes multiple populations of different species interacting within the same location. An ecosystem encompasses the entire community plus all the abiotic environmental factors, representing the most complete level of organization. Organisms interact in 6 primary ways. Mutualism occurs when both species benefit from the relationship. Commensalism happens when one species benefits while the other is neither helped nor harmed. Parasitism involves one organism benefiting at the expense of another. Predation occurs when one organism kills and consumes another for food. Competition arises when organisms vie for the same resources, negatively affecting both. Mutualism describes situations where species coexist without affecting each other. Several non-living factors critically influence ecosystems. Light and temperature determine the energy available and climate conditions in an area. Water is essential for all life processes and affects organism distribution. Soil and nutrients provide minerals and organic matter necessary for plant growth. Air composition and pH levels affect respiration, photosynthesis, and chemical processes in the environment. Energy flows through ecosystems in a unidirectional manner. Producers, such as plants and algae, convert sunlight into chemical energy through photosynthesis. Primary consumers are herbivores that obtain energy by eating producers. Secondary and tertiary consumers are carnivores and omnivores that feed on other animals. At each level, energy is transferred but also lost as heat, making ecosystems dependent on continuous energy input from the sun. Studying ecology is crucial for several reasons. It helps us understand environmental conservation by protecting biodiversity and managing natural resources sustainably. Ecological knowledge is essential for addressing climate change and mitigating its environmental impacts. It guides sustainable development by balancing human needs with ecosystem health. Finally, ecology advances our scientific understanding of how life systems function, adapt, and evolve over time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.